everyone that He's the sun, living water, flow through me. The sounds of many waters overflow. Living water, healing rain, sounds of many waters overflow. Living water, alright, beautiful people. So today I'll be teaching you Sounds of Many Waters by Frank Edward. It's a very nice and beautiful worship song. I know it's very deep. Alright, so I'm going to play the song in the key of C, our favorite key. Okay, so the song Living Water. Alright, so we'll start with the song chord progression. We have F major. Alright, F major. Alright, we have 5 major, and you can use the one that's C major or A minor, that's the 6. Alright, that's all about the chord progression of the song, guys. It's very straightforward. Alright, but I was, within the chord progression, I was adding some melody lines like this, or right, so adding something of that sort makes it all. So this is actually, this one is sourced. I was also using source 4, okay, alright. Source 4, 5 and 6, source 4 and 5 and 1. Alright, so you use 1 and 6, you interchange. Alright, so it's a living water flow, that's 5, flow through me. Alright, or you play 1, my body's waiting. Alright, 4, my 4 is waiting, and 5 to dream from you. Oh, 1, healing rain, let it 1, oh, 6 minor, touch everyone. Alright, that 5 major, the sound. Okay, it's A minor. Alright, so I take that part before we get to the chorus. Alright, so living water, alright, flow through me. My world is waiting, alright, to dream for you. Healing rain and fire and healing rain, let it flow. Touch everyone that He's the sun. Now, living water. That's the chorus, okay? The chorus now. Living water. I like to play source here. Source 5, source 4. Living water. And 5 and 1. And 5 and 6. Alright, you can also flow through me. The same thing. Like sounds of many waters. The same thing. Overflow. living water. I play something, living water. Healing rain. 4. So while still holding on the 4th here, alright, play something like this. Now, do re mi re, do re mi re, do ti. Right, so while hitting T, you go to 5. T, T, la, or 1. Alright, so living water. Healing rain. Alright guys, so that's how the song is. Do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.